Hello, in this lecture we will be discussing the question number 155 of NEET 2018 question paper. In this you have to match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and you have to choose the correct option out of these four options given below. In column 1 you have eutrophication, sanitary landfill, snow blindness, jhum cultivation. And in column 2 you have UVB radiation, deforestation, nutrient enrichment and waste disposal. Let's go one by one. Let's discuss all the four options given in column 1, all the four words that are given in column 1. Eutrophication. What do you mean by eutrophication? Eutrophication is when there is excess growth of algae in the marine ecosystem. Not only the marine ecosystem but in the water body. Why that happens? When there is excess nutrients present in the water body. Now, from where these excess nutrients are coming from? These excess nutrients are coming from the industries, right? See, many industries release some byproducts, some waste, right? Those all waste and byproducts are dumped or are released into the water body, right? So what happens? The nutrient value or the nutrients are accumulated in the water body and the nutrient value increases. So what happens? The algae can grow very fast, right? So what the algae will do? Algae will use these nutrients and it will grow very fast. But this is not a good thing, right? This is not a good thing. This is bad. Why this is considered as bad? Because when algae are growing extensively, there is a demand of oxygen. Okay, this is the first reason, and the second reason is the demand for oxygen increases, right? This is the first reason, and the second reason is the algae also release some toxins, okay, which are dangerous not for the algae. These toxins are dangerous for other aquatic animals, right? That is why eutrophication, though it is increasing the nutrient content in the water body, though it is increasing the algae, it is considered bad, right? Overall, this process is not good for the ecosystem or the environment, right? So eutrophication is nutrient enrichment. So A will be 3, right? Let's discuss the second option. The second option, that is sanitary landfill. What do you mean by a landfill? A landfill is when a big hole is made, okay, far away from the city, far away from the habitat, okay, of human beings. There the whole waste is dumped, okay, the whole waste is dumped and it is covered with soil. Why is it covered with soil? Because when it is covered with soil, then the waste will be decomposed, right, and the soil will become nutrient rich, right? So it is a method of waste disposal where they make a big hole in the in the ground and they dump all the waste and they cover it with soil so that the waste get decomposed and it becomes nutrient rich. It is a type of waste disposal. So B is 4. Snow blindness. Snow blindness is a disease that occurs due to exposure to UV radiation. Okay, UV radiation. So C is, it is a temporary blindness, but it can be permanent in some cases as well. Basically, it is due to the exposure to harmful UV radiation. So C is 1. And jhum cultivation. Jhum cultivation is also known as shifting cultivation. What happens in this? They actually clear a land. Okay, they clear a land. They farm. They do the cultivation in that particular land. And what they do after they get the first harvest, they leave that particular land for some time so that the land get replenished automatically. Okay, and then they search a new land for the next cultivation season. Okay, so what happens in this process? They sometimes destroy the forest. Okay, they destroy the forest, they burn the forest. Okay, they burn the forest so that they get a clear land. Okay, for cultivation. This is known as jhum cultivation. Why jhum cultivation, shifting cultivation? Because they do not cultivate in the same piece of land every time. Okay, they don't cultivate in the same piece of land every time. Once they get the first harvest, they leave that particular land and they go for other piece of land for the next cultivation season. Okay, and what they do, they burn all the trees or the uh, leftover stubbles and all, right? So it is related to deforestation. So D is 2. Now let's see the correct option: A3, B4, C1 and D2. So our correct option is option number 1. Thank you.